In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Telegram channel link on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy way to invite people from your WhatsApp chats into your Telegram channel, whether you're promoting a business page, a community, a news channel, or just trying to grow your audience. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone and go to the channel you want to share. Make sure you're opening the correct channel, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and tap the channel name. This will open the channel information page where you can see the details and settings for that channel. Next, tap Manage. This takes you to the channel management options, where you can control different admin and sharing settings. From there, look for Invite Link and tap on it. The invite link is the direct link people can use to join your Telegram channel. After that, tap Copy Link. This copies the channel invite link to your clipboard, so you can share it anywhere you want. Now open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send the Telegram channel link. Tap in the message box and paste the link. You can also add a short message before sending, like inviting your friends, customers, or group members to join your channel. Once the link is pasted, hit send, and that's it. Your Telegram channel link has now been shared on WhatsApp. This method is very useful if you want to move your audience from one app to another quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.